him. Where are you going?
I can't go there.
Get back here.
No, kill us.
Hold on a second. What's
Kill
going
us.
on?
Kill us.
What's going on?
Yeah, let's go fast.
No, what?
Run away! Run away! Don't wait for him! Run away! Cut! Good. Very good, guys. Yeah. That's good.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Will that work?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Exactly.
Okay.
That's good.
We'll work with that then.
Yeah. You
Do you
don't
feel
care
that?
about him at this point.
No, I
You
don't.
Just.
Yeah, I really felt it. I
You
felt
felt
in the
it a little
moment.
more. Yeah, good.
That's good. It's very good.
It's funny too, isn't
It's very funny. It's a
it?
great
For some
scene.
reason, it's just
And it's a great scene.
because it just felt
It's
so
really-
good,
it's a
right?
Great,
Felt-
yeah, it felt great.
Right.
I
okay.
really felt I was in there in the moment. I got it.
It's good. I'm happy.
Yeah, me too. I laugh when
So we are in touch.
Yeah. Where goes now? Cool, right? Everyone, turn hands in. Break.
Great.
Okay. Pretty dark.
Interesting.
Yeah.
And so.
She didn't know.
She didn't know.
She did not have land and stuff?
Yeah, she did, but she didn't realize how much important was her character in that situation. Okay, maybe we should go.
What's your brother's name?
Frank. Sir?
Yeah.
Looks like the picture.